I set this motherfucking DoorDash bag on fire before I walk in the store with that motherfucker. Every time I see a Dasher walking in with that DoorDash bag, I laugh at them and I start recording their ass. I say, look, we got a brand new Dasher. Stop playing with me. Free marketing. Hell no. Only person I'm marketing for free is my damn self. I almost don't even be wanting to put they bag in the thumbnail, but you kind of got to get that click through. Shit, DoorDash marketing. Boy, they getting so much free publicity. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. Every time you see a Dasher with a bag, that's free publicity. Every time you grab that bag and walk in somewhere, you just earned them a new customer. Because if somebody gonna see you with that bag, and they gonna say, oh, them Dashers making a lot of money. There's DoorDash drivers everywhere. I'm gonna place an order. I'm not tipping. They get no free marketing out of me. Hell no. And then the bag is trash. Like, bro, if you're gonna walk in with a delivery bag, use a Grubhub bag. I'm gonna keep it 100. The Grubhub bag is the best bag out of all these damn delivery bags. So if you gonna walk in there, walk in with a Grubhub bag, because at least they bag is built with good materials. It's got a thick insulated inside. It got straps you can wear it as a backpack. Motherfucking DoorDash bag? Come on now, we can do better. What you claim for taxes, nigga, everything. All of it. Everything. Talking about what you claim. All of it. Every deduction, everything. Whatever they allow, that's what I claim. Everything. Matter of fact, I don't even know if I'm going the right way. I just been running my mouth. That's a damn shame. That's a damn shame. Okay, leave that door for that taco smell. Oh my God, these people. I feel so sorry for this Taco Bell order, man. That must have been in my car for like a half an hour. That must have been in my car for a half an hour, y'all. That's crazy. That is straight crazy, boy. I cannot make this up. I bet they mouth watering for these fucking soggy ass tacos. These motherfuckers gonna be the same temperature as the inside of my car. 67 degrees. That is hilarious. You ever ate a taco at 67 degrees? Soggy? That mug gonna be mushy. It look like he eat Taco Bell. Oh my God. Oh no. That shit is 20 is in my car. Oh my goodness. I know that's right. I love my Grubhub bag. I never use that douche bag. Yeah, don't use that Doordash bag. Matter of fact, the best idea I ever had for my DoorDash bag was to put that motherfucker on top of my head while I deliver the food to customers. If you want me to deliver DoorDash customers their food with the DoorDash bag on my head, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and throw a couple super chats in there so I know you for real about it. Because I'll do that shit. I will straight throw the DoorDash bag on my head, cut out some eye holes, and deliver orders just like that. Because I'm going to say, this is the proper way to use your DoorDash bag. Because it's fucking trash. So if you want to see that DoorDash bag on my head food delivery shipped, you know what to do. And we at the fucking college campus. Hey, one of these college kids tipped really good because we got 3-to-1 miles to money ratio, and DoorDash only giving me $2. So either we got two $5 tippers or we got a $10 tipper and a no tipper. Either way it is what it is. Cause look, at this point, it's gonna be at least 3 or 4 mad parties in this whole equation because fuck, I didn't wait it. You know, we got soggy tacos, and I'm delivering to the soggy taco. The soggy tacos get delivered first. So yeah, it's out of our control at this point. This is why you always hit all those buttons when you at pickup, because you never know what can happen. This Taco Bell customer, they don't know that, they may not know I have a stack. They may know. It doesn't really matter. All they know is they placed this order and they saw me pick it up at 7:51. That's all they know, and that's all they care about. So in their mind, if it was a tip on this order, they taking it back because they know their food is cold. So, you know, that right there is out of my control. But guess what? I hit all them buttons when I was at that merchant so that I protect my ratings. I'm not taking that picture, that don't protect your ratings. What protects your ratings is you checking off all them little boxes when they ask, are you having a problem with this order? That way, when they, you know, when the next merchant take 30 minutes and the Taco Bell been sitting in your car for a half hour, I know this customer gonna give me 1 star, but it don't matter because it's gonna get removed because it ain't my fault, and I know what to do to protect my ratings.